Hi everyone, it's Liz here from the 10-Minute Tutor, and today we are on printout A8. So in the top right hand corner of your sheet should be the letter A and then followed by the number 8.
You'll find the worksheet for this video in the description below.
Now today I'm just a little bit excited because I have a co-host. And she is somebody that I know very well. But what's also special about my co-host is she's just a little bit famous. Now you may not know her if you saw her walking down the street, but she has done some amazing things in her career. And the one thing that she's got, that I certainly don't have, is a really amazing singing voice. So let me tell you about some of the things that she has done. She has actually been in Fame, the musical, which was on in the theatres. She's also had a guest appearance on Neighbours, the television show, where I think she played a girl who was the scorned lover of a boy or something like that. She's also been on the police show here in Australia called Blue Heelers, another one called Stingers, which was another detective kind of police show. And she's also done lots and lots of commercials. Most of the time, of course, on the commercials, she dresses up. So you may not recognise her from that, but believe me, she's done lots and lots of them. Now, why have I asked Alison? Her name is Alison in today. And the reason is because we are going to be doing some singing today. If you remember on last tutorial, where we looked at the letters of the alphabet, do you remember I went into a boxing studio and I was boxing out the alphabet? I was on a really fast ride and I was whizzing around doing the letters of the alphabet, and I had a friend of mine from China who was learning the alphabet. Well, today we're going to be moving on and we're going to be looking at a song that not only teaches you the letters of the alphabet, but it also teaches you some of the sounds that they can make in words. Because if you know the sounds of the alphabet, when you're looking at words to read them and to spell them, straight away you've got a library of sounds in your head that you can draw upon. So let me introduce you to Alison. And here she is.
Hi Liz.
Hi Al, how are you?
Hi everyone.
Oh, I'm very excited. And as you can see, she's a rather gorgeous young thing.
Oh, now.
And not only that, she's got a terrific voice. Now today, I'm going to teach her a song. Now I said you had to have sheet A8 in front of you. So you can see up the very top of that sheet, it firstly says in the saying of today, I can do this. And the reason I want you to keep thinking of that is because I want you to learn this song. Because I tell you, if you can learn this song, really, you know so many sounds that are already in the English alphabet. So, the alphabet sound song. Today we're just going to learn the first voice.
Okay.
The first verse, I should say, because it's the first one that gets us started. So I'm going to teach Al the song, and she's going to sing it for us too. And then that will help you learn to sing it as well. So watch Al sing and watch me sing, and you'll be very quickly learning it. You won't believe how fast.
Fantastic.
So it starts off, Al. It goes, sounds, sounds in every word I read. Can you teach them to me at double lightning speed? Could you do that bit for us?
Sure. Sounds, sounds in every word I read. Can you teach them to me at double lightning speed?
Terrific. So I'm going to say that again, and then I'm going to go through the next little bit. All right, so it starts off at the top again. Sounds, sounds in every word I read. Can you teach them to me at double lightning speed? Then we jump into the letters and it says, A says A,
B says B,
C says K, and also says
CH says Ch,
D says D,
E says A,
and F says F. Are you getting the hang of it? So it's got a bit of a beat to it, which will help people to remember how to remember it and to learn it. So let's start at the top again, and this time we'll both go through it together.
Okay.
And then we'll see how well Al has learnt it.
Sounds great.
Okay, let's go. Start from the top.
Sounds, sounds in every word I read. Can you teach them to me at double lightning speed? A says A, B says B, C says K, and also says S. CH says Ch, D says D, E says E, and F says F. How do you think she went? I actually think that was pretty fantastic for our first go. I wonder how you're going. Are you saying it as we're saying it? Because it would be great. I'm going to give Al a go on her own now. Oh, wow,
See
okay.
how she goes. I think she can do it.
All right, let's go.
Are you ready?
Sounds, sounds in every word I read. Can you teach them to me at double lightning speed? A says A, B says B, C says K, and also says S. CH says Ch, D says D, E says E, and F says F. How's that, Liz?
That was fantastic. There's only one little bit I went, oh. And when you say A, it goes A says A.
Did I say A?
You did.
How
You
about we
did.
try it again?
I think we should.
Okay.
Let's give it another go because it's really important to get the sounds right because when you're looking at words, a lot of the words that you're looking at have these sounds in them.
Definitely.
All right.
Thanks for pointing that out, Liz.
That's okay.
Okay. Sounds, sounds in every word I read. Can you teach them to me at double lightning speed? A says A, B says B, C says K, and also says S. CH says Ch, D says D, E says E, and F says.
Well done, Al. That was just fantastic. Well done. Well, I hope you got that first verse under your belt because next time we get together on the 10-minute tutor, we are going to do the second verse and then we're going to add it all together. And before you know it, we've got a whole song.
Can't wait.
Can't wait either. We'll see you next time on the 10-minute tutor. Bye.
Thanks for watching. Please like and share this video. Now you have watched A8, your next video will be A9.